this morning, let's take you live right now to the picket line. This is, another development here this morning in the sanitation strike. It's a live look from Chula Vista. Our photographer's on the scene. Earlier I was commenting about how they've been going around and around in a circle. I did not mean at all to make light of the situation. I know this is very serious with people who are wanting to work, wanting to have these contract negotiations come through so they can get back to work. And it's affecting so many people, not just in Chula Vista, but throughout San Diego County with the trash that has been piling up. So, the City Council just met about this. They declared a public health emergency.
Let's check in with CBS 8's Dana Marie McNichol. Now she's live with the latest twist in this ongoing strike here. Dana Marie.
Well, this emergency declaration will allow the city of Chula Vista to invoke a self-help clause in its contract with Republic Services. Now, this trash strike is between sanitation workers and Republic Services. And so what this new self-help clause can do is it allows the city of Chula Vista to do whatever they can to get that trash picked up. So they did have a meeting about this, and here's an inside look to that.
Republic has $1 million bond that we can start charging against. We also, I hope we're able to backdate penalties and fines and fees assessed for noncompliance to our contract.
Now, Councilmember Galvez says because Republic Services has failed to fulfill its obligation to pick up the trash, the city will now put its own measures in place for the health and safety of its residents. Galvez says the city crews will remove trash that is accumulated around the trash bins, and Republic will then be responsible for picking up the rest. The Work for Hope team, which are unsheltered individuals employed by the city for special projects, and the Alpha Project will also help with the trash cleanup. Multifamily housing apartment complex will be the highest priority for city crews because so much more waste has accumulated on those locations. Galvez says Republic will assess reimbursing customer fees for the month of December and even possibly January after the strike is over. Now, an email address and a call center will also be set up for customers to call for helping pick up the trash. Now, of course, we've been covering this sanitation strike for the 27 days that it's been going on, and we have a lot of information on CBS8.com about those negotiations, what the sanitation workers are exactly asking for, and the breakdown of that contract in terms of what they're hoping to get paid. So you could read more on CBS8.com.